catch these fucking drones. Alright, so I'm walking to my window and they posted outside my shit. Drone number one up there. You see it? Watch. I caught that bitch. Caught him. Watch this. I would like for you to move from my motherfucking window. Cause I see your bitch ass. I see you. You gotta move up, please. Can you please move up? Could you please move up? You see, this is our mark right there. Alright, this the building. You see that other one over there, right? Alright, that one getting out of here. I need you to move up, sir. I need you to move up. I see you. I see you, drones. I'm gonna need you to move up, cuz. I need you to move up. You feel me? You too light. You too bright. You too bright. You need to turn down your light. You too bright up there. Fuck you so bright for? You gonna move? It's moving now. It's moving to its right. And you see it to turn down his light. You see it to turn down his light. I told you them bitches hear what the fuck we talking about, bro. It's just turned down his light, bro. I just told you they hear when you talk. You just seen that fucking light go. He just turned down his light, bro. Now it's moving. He know I'm talking to him. Yeah, now I need you to get out my frame, bro. I need you to get the fuck from my window, bro. Fuck wrong with you? Like I ain't gonna say shit. Get the fuck on. Move all the way up. Move the fuck up. Move all the way to your fucking. It's moving to the. It's finna move out of. I'm not moving the camera neither. You see that bitch dancing in the sky? I'm not moving the camera. It's finna leave out the fucking view. You see that bitch leaving? Don't call me crazy, G. Don't call me crazy. No, that's a good vantage point too, cause that's somebody's window, my neighbor's window across from me. You just see that bitch move out of sight, right? You just see that bitch move out of sight. All right, guys, I tell you, this one moving too. It's over there though. That bitch moving too. Now I'm open. My boy, don't be calling me fucking crazy, my dude. I told you, you talk to these fucking drones. They hear this shit, bro. They hear this shit. I talk to these niggas every fucking day, nigga. Get the fuck from over me, boy. Get the fuck from over me, boy. I see you. I told that nigga, hey, turn down your light. Fuck he do. They turned down the light. I say, get the fuck out my view. You see that bitch? Get the fuck out the view. Am I lying about this shit? No, I'm not. Cause you know what? Truth is powerful, man. You feel me? Truth is powerful, man. And what the fuck you want, you fucking get, man. Get these niggas from over your career, bro. The fuck I tell y'all niggas all the time. They hear you. They hear you. The bitch was bright as fuck, wasn't it? Wasn't it? You see with your own eyes, and I got that shit on camera. Your own eyes, that shit was bright as fuck. I told that nigga, turn down your light. You too bright, nigga. I can see you. That bitch turned down the bright. Turned down the light. I said, get the fuck out my shot now. That nigga danced a little bit and got the fuck on. We got a lot of y'all, man. Y'all niggas be lying around this bitch, boy. I'm telling you what the fuck I be seeing, what the fuck be going on with me, boy. I don't be lying, nigga. They got drones over my shit all the time, boy. All the time, my boy. All the time. Drones, nigga. Ain't got a lot of you niggas, boy. Fuck, I look like lying. I told you could talk to these niggas. Talk to the fucking drones, nigga. Tell them, hey, ski-daddle, nigga. Ski-daddle, bitch. You know what I'm saying? Boy. No, I'm just sitting down and shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, hold on, that shit too bright. Fuck you, know what I'm saying? It's second day in a row. You feel me? Like when I go quiet, that's when they pop out. They don't like when I be too quiet. They don't like that because they don't know what the fuck I'm up to. So now they gotta really, you know what I'm saying? You know, and I'm up the third floor, so they looking right in my shit. They can see right in my shit. They know all my movements, even on the phone. But I'm like, bro, you watching me, nigga? You feel me? Now I'm gonna really piss y'all when I cover my shit up again, and I'm gonna really make y'all mad. You feel me? When I cover my cameras, I'm gonna really make you niggas nervous. And when I start leaving my phone, I'm gonna really make you nervous, cause you ain't gonna have no tracer on me, nigga. All fast, what you got? You gonna trace me? And I'm gonna leave the Bluetooth in the crib too. And now you niggas they nervous, bro. They nervous, bro. They haven't been over my shit in a while, my boy. They haven't been in my shit. Every time I go quiet, I notice. See, I peep patterns. I pick up patterns. Just like when people tell me, and I don't even ask for shit, I don't ask for money, but motherfucking parents want to be like, yo, I'm going to give you this, and I'm going to give you that, I'm going to give you some money on Christmas, I'm going to give you some money on this. I don't ask you for shit. I haven't asked nobody for shit since fucking September-ish or some shit. I haven't asked niggas for shit. No type of help. Nothing. You want to offer me some money? You want to offer me whatever assistance? Who am I to say no? You want to be like, here, $200. Hey, well, shit, bitch, here, thank you. Oh, shit, all right, my nigga, here, thank you. You feel me? Donations, free donations, okay. Guilty conscience you guys got. And even that right now, you feel me? My silence is on everything, on all platforms, music. I'm not doing motherfucking thing, nigga. I'm silent, nigga. Next time I pop out, nigga, I'm just gonna I'm gonna shut down the internet like Cat Williams, bitch. Every time I go on this bitch, I shut down the internet anyway, nigga. Ain't no way in hell you talking about nigga got 9 views, 5 views. You know who the fuck I am, nigga? I jumped on the scene with 500 views plus, nigga. For real, nigga. For real, nigga. And the only reason why I deleted all my other old videos on motherfucking YouTube because I didn't want to keep on. I didn't want my shit to be based on a particular individual. And I ain't want that. I ain't want him and with them these people all in my motherfucking energy and shit. So I'm like, I'm gonna cut the cord. Boom. I'm gonna start this shit fresh. You know what I'm saying? But they know. They know. They're watching you. They're always watching you. They know you can talk to these bitches. Tell their ass, skedaddle, get the fuck on. You feel what I'm saying? And watch out for niggas in your building too. Watch out niggas like, bro, you fake cribs and all that shit, bro. You know a real crib from a fake crib. What's a fake crib? A fake crib is a setup. They just set that bitch up. Ain't no furniture in that bitch. Just computers and tables and chairs, nigga. And you know what I'm saying? Like Daytron Tyrone. I just seen that shit. I'm gonna put that link on my fucking YouTube channel. Go watch that bitch. That shit is legit, my boy. And boy, they ain't lying. Fake cribs all on this fucking block I'm on, nigga. And I know which crib is fake and which one is not, cause they just look fake, nigga. They just look fake. How the fuck this brand new crib right here that looks just brand new, like it was just built yesterday. All the other cribs ain't so brand new, but this the only one look like it should be in motherfucking Malibu or some shit. You know what I'm saying? Like really up nice and like nice little front porch. Nigga, how the fuck you the only crib on this block with a front porch. A nice front porch at that. Like, come on, bro. Watch out for cars. You walk up, man. This how this shit go, man. They do a loop. It's all a loop. So how and they keep an eye on you. You know what I'm saying? Like so, one going left, one going right, and they all make it left, they all make it right, so they can all keep turning back into you. And I noticed that too. So I've been noticing a lot of shit. I've been noticing shit, but I've been noticing even more now. You know what I'm saying? Like I look into cars. I look in. Motherfucker be like, why you mean mugging me, bro? I don't be mean mugging y'all niggas when I look in y'all cars. It's just I need to know y'all faces. For real. Cause like I used to not, especially like motherfucker way back then, motherfucker be like, you know what I'm saying? I remember you and this and I don't remember you because and I was thinking about that shit just a couple minutes ago. I'm like, man, all these niggas talking about they remember me. They don't fucking remember me. They don't fucking remember me now whatsoever. These are assigned agents to me. But be like, yeah, I remember you, then you getting cool because I'm a nice person. You know what I'm saying? Like if you have good conversations and we good, we gonna link up. Even that. You know what I'm saying? So just be aware. You know what I'm saying? Be aware to be alive. But you guys seen what the fuck I just said and what I just put, you know what I'm saying? Expose some shit, drones and shit, you know what I'm saying? They here, you know what I'm saying? They up there, bright lights and shit. You feel me? And that's why they like to put these fake clouds in the sky so they can cloak up there and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? So just be aware, bro. Be aware, bro. Real shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? Real shit, bro. Real shit, man. Bro. You like, I'm silent, bro. Y'all ain't gonna hear from me for a minute, bro. You feel me? Cause I want these niggas nervous. They nervous right now. I want them more nervous than they already is, bro. Real shit. But I just had to get on this shit and drop these gems to y'all, cause y'all niggas be out here getting intoxicated. All you chosen ones and shit. Don't get me wrong. Do what you do, but you cannot be over here getting intoxicated, getting the Ubers, knowing that you were chosen one, knowing that you were star chief, knowing that you were impact, knowing that you are the one your ancestors fucking chose for this shit, and be intoxicated, getting the Ubers. They got your location. You go get an Uber, use somebody else's fucking account, my boy. Make a fake account, boy. Don't use your credit card, my boy. God damn, be smart about this motherfucking shit, my boy. Real shit, bro. Real shit, bro. Pay attention to your 12, your 6, your 3, your 9, nigga. I think that's right. Shit, I hope it is, nigga. Shit. But for real, bro. Shit real out here, bro. I'm just giving you that gutter shit right now, man. But I just want y'all to see what the fuck is going on. See that I am not fucking crazy. I'm not crazy, y'all. I'm not crazy. I come with evidence. You feel me? They got over 100 million drones above this continent. Okay? Or just above this continent. Okay?